All right, so here we have the body solid leg extension and hamstring curl combo device. Kind of expensive. You're with shipping and everything, you're probably pushing $700, maybe $800 depending. I think $658 was the last I saw on like a regular price. So call it $700. So a few things about it. Once again, it's not all black. It's gray and black. I didn't see other colors on their site, so I don't know if that's an option, but it'd be nice. So we'll just run through some of the features here. Essentially, the roller, so to speak, there's a dial here, and pulling the pin and letting the clicker go, just like you would be adjusting a leg press on a commercial machine or a hamstring both. By putting the clicks all the way to this side, it's hamstring. All the way to that side, it's quads. And that's just based on your range of motion, but also where the weight is suspended is the counterbalance to your legs, which is surprisingly decent. I haven't gone heavy on this. I just got 70 pounds on it. It's where 35s go, is on the machines in my gym. Reverse hyper has the rest of the 35s on it. I have a few on the leg press. So some stuff here. The back is adjustable, so you can make it, for you're shorter, you can move this seat forwards and backwards to get you closer to the edge. I've got it set one click back, so that seems to be okay for me. Right now I have it set to hamstring. And another thing that's kind of nice is if you're doing quadricep extensions, you can just take this leg thing out and you can just do your extensions. You don't need anything to hold you in place. For hamstrings, I don't know how heavy I would have to go before I needed them, but it's not a bad touch to have it. It's easier to get in and out with it out, but I have toddlers and dogs running in and out of this gym, so it's going to stay attached so nobody takes it outside to play with it. Which means, we'll just do it with one click. Getting in is a bit of a balancing act. The peg here for the weights, it is a 1-inch peg with a piece of plastic that goes over the top of it, turned it into a 2-inch peg. I lost the bolt that goes inside of that, so it's not perfectly attached, but it does the job just fine. So I'll do a little bit of each one just to show you how it works. The padding is actually pretty good. I got this used, so I don't know how much this guy actually used it, because I see barely any wear and tear on it other than me moving it here in my van. There's a little bit of an indentation here that you can't see. Even if I brought the camera up close, it'd be tough because it is solid black on a solid black floor. I mean, you're not gonna see that. So, anywho, we'll do some hamstring curls first. You saw how I got in, right? So that's how you get set up. 70 pounds. I can adjust this down to put it right on my legs, but again, it's 70 pounds. It's not gonna move me. You got some grip attachments here should you ever need that. Maybe if I went way past failure, I don't know. But the motion here is actually pretty smooth, and you get weirdly a little bit of an increase in resistance, probably just because of the angle of the plates as you get closer to the back, which is nice because you would expect it to be the other way. So right about a quarter of the way down, it's starting to get actually heavier. And going all the way down, you can actually feel, just from 70 pounds, a little bit of a pinch in the leg there. So, another 35 or two, we're probably talking about some good working sets. So we'll just do like 10 here. That's pretty smooth motion, right? Now, to turn it back into a quadricep extension, I'm going to take my legs off, pull the pin here. That's going to be about my range of motion right there. I like to set the legs so that even at the very bottom, relaxed, there's still tension on my feet. That way I'm getting tension through the entire movement. I don't know if it's better. That's just what I'm going to do. So 70 pounds, same thing, nice and set. Now, what might be interesting is to put another plate or two on here and then just go to failure, switch to curls or hamstrings, whichever way you want, whichever way we're going. Max out again, max out the other way, max out again. That might be a workout I upload. Maybe I'll try that because I got to do a new training block soon. Anyway, be a good excuse. So I kept this one pretty brief because, I mean, it's a leg extension and a leg curl. I don't know how much you want me to tell you. But the motion is smooth. The padding is good. For once, it's not just solid black like everything else down here. A different color would be nice. Price is a little high, but if you break it down, that's really only about $350 for a leg extension and $350 for a leg curl. That's pretty decent. So no complaints there. We'll talk about this guy here before too long. It's been an interesting addition to my gym. Body Solid kind of delivering down here for me lately. But that's all I got to say about that. So thanks for tuning in. I'll let you guys know as I play with it a little bit more how what I find with it. I'll do that with some other equipment. I'll do like a rehash of some old equipment that I've tried out that I've figured new things to do with. But other than that, have fun.